Now this is a snack that most kids, I'd say all kids in Japan are familiar with. It's a little cookie that's filled with a chocolate cream and it's called Koala March, which I guess means March of the Koalas or Koala March. And yeah, they're small little chocolates and I think they're pretty good for kids to play with. You know how kids love to play with their food, but then they get their hands all nasty. You'll be okay with these because there's not a lot of crumbs going on and they can be eaten in one bite. So let's open these up. Oh, I've made a mess of that, haven't I? All right. Some sort of activity for the kids on the back. That varies from time to time. And here's the little package. Isn't that cute? All these little characters saying things. Wonder if they're in English if you buy them in English-speaking countries. No idea. But here, this is what you get. These little baked crispy things with different types of koala characters on them. So cute. And inside you've got a milk chocolate that's baked into the side of the cookie. There's a hollowness to them, so they're not really rich. Like they're not really thick, basically. They're very light and crispy. Kind of like a crisp cookie with a chocolate coating. So there's not a huge amount of chocolate, basically, is what I'm saying. I would classify these as definitely a chocolate cookie and not a cookie on chocolate. Here's another cross cut before it goes in my mouth. Now, obviously, I am not a kid, and I often buy these because they're so cute and enjoyable and very tasty. So I can't help but recommend. And here we have something that doesn't even look like a koala. It's a koala in a fish outfit.